My name is Ayana Witherspoon and I'm from Detroit, Michigan. I found out about the fellowship through my dean, Dean Kahendo from Wilberforce. He thought I'd make a great candidate.
My name is Mohammed Jamal. I'm a sophomore at Fisher College of Business at The Ohio State University, and I reside in Dublin, Ohio. I applied to this internship, and the biggest thing that drew me was the diversity aspect of it. It was a huge aspect why I applied. And the second reason I applied was this internship gives a great overview of the different departments in the Auditor state.
What surprised me the most is how much audit work is tied to every entity, no matter where you're going, institution, private firms, public. The work they do, it matters. It's for the people, honestly. It's for to hold people accountable. The Auditor state's role plays a major part, and that's something I did not know before coming into this fellowship.
Everyone's very welcoming, kind, and it's a lot to learn. Each day is different, especially like the midway of this internship, it was very different because one day we're with IT, so that's completely different. Next day we're with like Central or a different department in the Auditor state. The next day maybe we're going to Nationwide. The next day we're going to like a Wright state in Dayton. So each day is different.
This fellowship program is designed to help give kids an opportunity to see firsthand the kind of things that we do in the state auditor's office and to get a firsthand experience in interacting with government. This group's class is outstanding. They were very bright, very energetic, and really have a bright future in front of them.
In general, internships are really good for networking with other people, but it opens a lot of avenues for you and your career. And none of us, all four of us, none of us are in the same field. There's a criminology major, there's a political science major, there's an information systems major, and accounting major. But there's something for each of us.
Take the approach to seek knowledge, listen to people that have been in these positions for a long period of time, their role, what they do, and kind of just soak up all the knowledge they have in the office through fellowship. There's a lot of knowledge in there.
These young men and women are a great representation of what the future holds, and the future is bright here in Ohio.